Hey guys, just a quick crocheting tip. So I have this diagram over here. It says that the chain is counted as a double crochet. But for this project, if I do that, it has this gap over here and I don't want that to happen in the next rounds. I find this cleaner compared to the previous rows that I've done. So this is how you do it. After the slip stitch, pull the loop up to the same height as the double crochet. Insert your hook again on the same stitch where you've made your slip stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. So now you have 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through just 1 loop. And then yarn over again and pull through both loops. This is what you call the extended single crochet. And in case you are wondering, the diagram calls for a double crochet, but I've changed to an extended half double crochet. This type of stitch has smaller gaps between stitches. If you like this crochet tip, please don't forget to like this video, add it to your playlist, and also visit my channel to watch other crochet tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye!